Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just want to make a video about R31 brake master cylinder braces. I seem to get a lot of questions about them, what they are, what they do, why would you need one, sort of deal. So I thought, well, why not make a video and I'll show you exactly why you need one. So this is the base. It's 3mm mild steel. Just got an 8mm nut welded in, and then use 8mm grub screw, 3M6 cap heads, 8mm lock nuts, that's one of those thin half nuts, and then a CNC machined cap. So it's pretty simple. The theory behind it is when you push the brake pedal, the firewall flexes and you lose feeling in the pedal under certain braking conditions due to how much the firewall flexes. A bit like why you replace your rubber brake lines with braided ones and all that stuff. Give you more feedback in the pedal and give you a better feeling in the car when you're driving. Sorry about the flicker, seems that LED work light's playing with the GoPro. But the base would typically bolt into these three holes here in the firewall. All R31s have in factory. You'll probably find that they just have a little black push-in plug in them. But to show you how bad the R31 flexes and why you would consider putting a brake master cylinder brace in, I'll just set up my dial indicator and then we'll give the brake pedal a push and see how fast she moves. Now that we've got the dial indicator set up, I'll just go inside and give the brake pedal a good push and we'll see how much it flexes. So now that we got our baseline reading for an unsupported brake master cylinder, let's put the brace in and then retest it. Now to fit the brake master cylinder, just pre-assemble the grub screw and the jam nut in the base, and then we just bolt it into the three holes on the side. You might need to pull the plastic grommets out. So this one's still got a plastic grommet, but I've just painted over it. But you might need to pull them out to put this in, but other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. You'll notice that there's slots in the base. I like to slide it all the way back so it can't travel any further, and then lock it down. And then we just gotta put the cap on, so line the cap up and screw in the grub screw. And then I like to preload just a little bit, and then you can lock off the grub screw. And that's all that's involved in installing it. Now that we've got the brake master cylinder brace fitted, we'll retest how far it moves by pushing the brake pedal and see what the improvements are. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to fit a brake master cylinder brace on your R31. Being how old they are, they seem to have a lot of flex in the firewall, and then there seems to be a bit of stretch in some of the bolts and whatnot, and the master cylinder seems to move around a bit. But once you fit the brake master cylinder brace, you get a very firm, repetitive brake pedal feel. And then the only thing you can do beyond that is to either replace all the brake lines with new ones or braided ones ideally, and that would get rid of some more sponginess. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll understand a bit more what a brake master cylinder brace does and feel confident that you'd be able to fit one yourself. For a sub $50 part, they're probably very inexpensive. Anyway, it's been fun making the video. I'll catch you guys out and about when I see you around. Cheers.